battery should be housed in the temple over there.
I hope we're not walking. I hate walking. Let's find Larfleeze and get off this stupid planet!
Stupid planet.
This Larfleeze guy would have so much security.
These Orange Lantern constructs aren't exactly your typical security guards.
Wow, that's just what we need. Grundy's smarter than he looks.
Don't cover a judge by its book.
Door puzzle. They're just so frustrating.
Yes. Well, anyway, we should look around for a way to get inside the temple.
don't see Larfleeze.
All the same, I bet that statue is our way into the orange power battery chamber.
We'll need to bribe the statue with something.
Bribe the statue?
Even the statues here are greedy. That's so...
Yeah, Wonder Woman angry. Grundy, get it.
Hey!
Ha! Now I know what to get a statue for its birthday.
Wow! You have birthday parties for your statues too?
What?
There. That handle inside the statue's mouth. Okay, we'll distract Larfleeze while Hal steals a lantern.
His greed makes him pretty unstable.
Too much talking! Let's do this already!
Give me Green Lantern.
And you'll help us?
No, I just want Green Lantern. Also, empty your pockets.
There's nothing in my pockets.
Then, give me your clothes. I know you don't want to trade with me. You're thieves. Thieves, all of you!
So much for trying to reason with Agent Orange. Now what?
You're asking us?
Constructs! Get them out of my temple! They've come to steal my shinies! No matter. I'll take you out myself!
Larfleeze, please! This fighting is meaningless!
You're meaningless! Are you touching my stuff over there? Stop touching my stuff! You swore you wouldn't come back here, Green Lantern! Are you touching my stuff over there? Stop touching my stuff! I want it! It's mine! Ah! That hurts! Where'd the shiny go? I want more boom boom shinies! Ah! That hurt! Okay, so you wanna talk? Let's talk. You can't beat me! The orange light defeats all!
car, please. A present from the Green Lantern Corps.
I don't think this bargain is going to work. We'll leave.
No, you need to pay me for my time. I'll take Green Lantern as payment.
Oh, okay.
We'll be going.
Agreed.
I'm not used to people giving me what I want. Wait, I want more! Oh. What? No fair! Seems this cage will hold me. Unless, yes, I compute that my enemies have not foreseen one possible outcome of their efforts.
Huh? This is my least favorite place in the galaxy.
We don't like you either.
Sinestro, we have come!
Save the bad acting. The other lanterns called ahead.
Expecting to deceive me, Jordan. You're even more foolhardy than I remember. Get them!
I guess it's time for Plan B, guys.
There's Plan B?
I warned you, Jordan. Now face the power of the Sinestro Corps!
I don't like the sound of that.
Don't be afraid, Robin. That's what Sinestro wants.
Those trains give me the creeps. How do we defeat this thing, Hal?
Gotcha.
There is no power greater than fear! Surrender now, Jordan!
My new friends and I don't give up so easily, Sinestro.
Yeah, you purple pest! I'm allowed to be angry at him, right?
I can smell your fear! Don't force me to make it worse!
I'm not afraid. Nothing is stronger than the power of will.
Make that indomitable will.
Yeah. Thanks for stepping on my moment there, Batman.
on an invisible jet doesn't really protect your modesty.
Wonder Woman, Grundy, help Lantern. They're not real, Robin.
They're still scary!
It's reading your mind. It knows what scares you.
How pitiful. This green menace has simply become a giant puppet.
Don't worry about me, guys. Save yourselves!
Put him down, Sinestro.
Quickly! After him before it's too late!
Who those people? Not our enemy?
They're Thunderers, helpless under the control of Sinestro. Who's the big guy?
I don't know, but it sure doesn't look like he's here to sell ice cream.
Grundy crush, Yellow Pajama Man!
I admire your persistence, but it will not be enough.
Let him go, Sinestro. I know a thing or two about fear myself.
You know nothing of fear, Batman. Nothing!
Sounds like they're not afraid of you, Sinestro. And neither am I!
No, it can't be! You're fools if you're not afraid of Sinestro! I'll make you afraid!
Great to have you back, Hal. Good thing you weren't afraid.
Actually, we Green Lanterns learned to overcome our fear. Sinestro doesn't get that.
This is your final warning, Jordan. Leave before someone really gets hurt! I'll put an end to this once and for all!
We'll see about that.
That's the tragedy in all this, Jordan. We'll always be...
Why doesn't it read your mind for a change?
It is, but I've buried my emotions for so long it can't find anything I'm scared of.
You need to be scared.
You need your emotions, Batman.
Robin is going to get hurt. I got it. Let's go.
They have my power batteries!
One of them's mine.
We will just have to go get them.
oversized Earth has made it difficult to track Superman.
I'm scared we'll never find him.
Space, infinite and vast and full.
Got him. Let's get down there.
Welcome to my fortress of solitude.
Not a lot of solitude these days.
We were able to get the help we needed, Man of Steel.
It was terrifying.
Ooh, love that outfit.
I love yours.
I hope you can help us out of this.
I hope so too.
Oh no, there's two of all of them.
You're just in time. The crystal is ready.
Green Lantern. It's so good to see you.
Not now, Sapphire. The owners of those batteries are right behind us.
And they're going to want to fight. All we have to do is make sure that crystal is at the center of it.
So we don't need these after all?
Hold it right there, Sinestro.
So the final battle will be here, over your puny world, Green Lantern.
It really is puny.
Guys, you need to get the rest of the lanterns to focus their energy here.
Oh, hurry! I don't know how much longer I can hold off Sinestro.
I'm here to take back what's mine. And everything is mine! Give me back my shiny! Where is it? Where's my shiny?
Good. He's firing his beam. Try and get him to direct it towards the focal point.
What's happening? What have you done?
You weak, pathetic fools! I've come for my power battery!
I don't think so. Watch out, team. He seems a little grumpy. Grundy, now.
Grundy got you! What are you doing? Get away from me!
Fire his laser into the middle, Grundy, quickly. Now, Superman.
I can't stop!
Our will is pulling all your energy through the crystal.
It's working, Batman!
What a wasted trip!
Superman! Are you alright?
Oh no! Is Superman dying? How will I ever go on? I'm sorry. I just couldn't keep that up anymore. Oh, boy.
Look at you with the jokes, cutting in on my action. With these bozos occupied, let's go make you president.
Good idea.
Looks like everyone's back to normal.
Wait, how do they get out of the cage?
Should we go capture them?
It's not them I'm worried about. Flash, check on Brainiac.
Batman?
Brainiac escaped.
Yeah, how'd you know?
We have to destroy his ship.
Before you attack me, you may want to know that I took 2 cities on my way here. Gotham and Metropolis. Surrender now, or risk their destruction.
You digital fiend, there's millions of people in there.
Batman?
Not now, Robin.
But Batman? Just look.
Robin, not... Uh-oh.
What happened? Did the Earth shrink again?
No, not really.
Behold the engine of your destruction, Earthlings.
Brainiac is our ruler. Kneel before him.
Uh-oh. I told you we needed to worry about him going bad.
Where's all that kryptonite when you need it?
I never thought it would come to this. Batman versus Superman. Where's that kryptonite when you need it?
I just realized. The Batcave was shrunk along with Gotham City.
And the kryptonite was in the Batcave? Perfect.
We need a distraction to buy us some time. Maybe I can call for backup.
That's what I call some serious backup.
Quickly, we need to send those bats towards Superman.
We did it! Now what?
As long as Brainiac doesn't send more of his minions to attack us, we should be able to...
Attack my minions! Attack!
Oh, you were saying?
You fools! Nothing can stop me now! I'm beginning to admire your magnificent stupidity. This is my world now!
Bad news, team. Looks like Superman's overcome his little bat problem.
Oh, man! We gotta think of something!
Why resist? You're only going to test what little mercy I have left. No one can stop the mighty Brainiac! No one!
Let's get to work. We can build something to generate the power we need.
You got it. Let's hope this works.
It's ready. Quickly, charge up the power flash.
Quickly? As if there was any other way I'd do it. Time for some serious speed.
Sorry, Superman. This might sting a little. It's working.
Oh boy, it didn't work.
Yeah, I see that.
So that means it wasn't the electric shock that broke you out of the mind control. It was my speech!
Really thought it was the shock. I've made this trip like 4 times today. Flash, what's going on?
Superman's gone bad.
Wow, just like Batman predicted.
Now, destroy the one called Batman first.
Superman, wait. We don't fight each other, we're a team.
Today I thought Robin might be hurt. It scared me to think about that. It was the first time I let myself be scared in a long while. And it scared me because he's my friend. And you are too.
No!
Sorry. Really sorry, everybody.
This is not fortuitous.
Forget the apologies. Get Brainiac.
That seems like everything.
Unless you want to stay that size, we also need the shrink ray.
Oh, right.
You were right, Robin. Thank you.
Well, what means the most to me is just being your friend. But being right is definitely a close second.
you think? Well, how about this?
President Lex,
I told you I didn't want to be disturbed.
people out here demanded to see you.
Oh, shoot.
I have to say, this is more my speed than that Oval Office.
But as usual, we've ended up with nothing to show for our efforts.
Hey, it could be worse. Our cell could be as small as that guy's.
This bottle will not hold me forever!
He really does look ridiculous.
Hello, friend. You haven't noticed any strange-looking people around here, have you?
Hello? I hope somebody called my wife.
I will destroy those pathetic Earthlings.